Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to make a really easy and beautiful flower with crochet. So let's get started. So all you are going to need for this tutorial is some yarn, and I have chosen baby yarn. Of course you can use any kind of yarn you have, just make sure to use the recommended hook size for your particular yarn. And also I'm going to be using 3mm size hook because it fits my yarn. That is a big hook and also a scissor. The first thing we are going to do is to create slip knot. So I'm going to wrap the yarn around my fingers and make X. Then answer the hook and pull up working yarn like this. Then you can adjust the slip knot to your hook and we are going to chain 6. One, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So here I have chain of 6 and then I will make slip knot in the so that creates a little loop like you see here. And now we are going to make chain of 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And now we are going to make 3 treble crochet into the ring. Yarn over twice, insert the hook into the ring, yarn over and pull up the loop. So here you can see that you have 4 loops into the hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops on the hook. Again and pull through the next 2 loops on the hook, and yarn over again and pull through the last 2 loops on the hook. And we are going to work 2 more treble crochet stitches in the same way. So here we did 2 treble crochet and we will add another one. Now we are going to chain 4. And now we are going to do a slip stitch into the ring. So here, as you can see, our first petal, and we will repeat the same thing in order to have in total 5 petals. So we are going to repeat the same thing for more times. So here I have finished working my 5 petals, and I will finish by slip stitch. And now I'm going to trim off the yarn. So here is our little flower. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you like it, please hit the like button and share this. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe. Thanks again. See you in the next video. Bye.